how to add space in Discord text channel. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's go to my test server and then create. We can see text channels from here. You can just simply click on create text channel. So let's say new channel for this one. So click on create channel, and after that you have to go to the settings option from new channel from here, and you just have to remove the dash from here, and then you can just click on here and paste it and type channel. So as you can see, the space has been added to the channel name. From here you can just click on save changes, and if we go back to our text channel, as you can see, new space channel, the space has been successfully added. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.